it's time to grab a beer. Should I have an 805 or a Miller Lite? I also have some MGDs in there, but man, look at that ice buildup in there. But look at this. See? It's falling apart. But look at the beer when you pull it out. It's literally, if you look in there, it's actually a part of, I gotta fix the fridge, but my boot's stuck. It's actually covering the can, so it keeps these beers ice cold. But I really should defrost this fridge today, because it's probably not good to have all this ice in here. But yeah, I gotta fix the fridge. I'll be back. But yeah, see that? And it fits snugly in there. But yeah, look at that ice buildup. It's insane. But yeah, I should take these cans out and kind of defrost this today. But I'll wait till it's like the hot part of today. But yeah, I am so low on beer right now. It's crazy. But never stopped me from having one. Cheers. Here's that piece of ice. See? You can see where the cans were sitting. Satisfaction. That wasn't as satisfying as I thought it was going to be. Maybe this will. Every day there's a star that's born. But now the fridge is full. Got the Rogues, we got the MGD, we got the Coors Light, we got the 805, got the Miller Lite, and we got more Coors Light, the 16 ounces. And as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit more frost on the back, even though this has been defrosted. It's trying again. But yep. Have you ever seen beer go slow? Going straight back to Miller Lite. But yeah, got the fridge defrosted. Everything's good now. Got cold beer, although I had cold beer before. Just gotta wait a whole nother year or so before it totally freezes over everything again like it was before. Honestly, this is the best fridge I've had. This is an Insignia. As you can see, it's got some stickers on it. I got that from Country Thunder. That's a sticker from a present that my sister gave me. Brewmate. I got this from the internet. That's from a pair of Wranglers that I got. It's from a light for a headlight from my bike that I got. This I got from my aunt that lives out in Canada, the A-Team. Got this in Colorado. It's a bottle opener. Again, from the internet. This down here I got from, getting that. A pack of 805. Kinda like that 805 too. Although, I like the Cerveza ones. Those ones to me are the best. These ones, they're good. They are good. I won't give any crap to the company. 805 I really like, but the Cerveza one, yeah, they did a good job with that. But yeah.